Do you want to know how I prepare this homemade yummy mayonnaise in less than 2 minutes? Just stay tuned. Hello, lovely viewers. This is Chiommy Creative Kitchen with Joy. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. Before we continue, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to my channel and activate your notification bell so that you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. If you like my video, please share it. So today I'm going to demonstrate to you how I prepare this yummy homemade mayonnaise in less than 2 minutes. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients. For the full list of the ingredients, I'm going to put them at the description box below. Here I'm making use of my hand blender with my measuring cup. You can make use of your blender, your stand blender or the stand mixer, is all the same. Here I crack in the egg. I add the sugar. This is 1 tablespoon of sugar. I add in the salt and the white pepper, followed by the lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Then I add in the vegetable oil, 1 cup of vegetable oil. That is all. Then I start with my hand mixer or the hand blender. Then I start from the one at the bottom. Then I gently begin to raise it up. You'll find out it will start thickening, becoming more thicker. I hold my cup very firm because as I'm beating it, it's becoming more thicker, turning and forming the mayonnaise, the homemade mayonnaise. And that is all. Within 2 minutes, everything is ready. As you can see, the mayonnaise is getting ready. And there you go. Believe me, after this, if you try this at home, you will not buy mayonnaise in the supermarket. You won't like to buy mayonnaise in the supermarket again. This is nice without preservative. You can turn it into a cup and seal it as I normally do. Cover it with the lid and put it in the refrigerator. And that is all. If you like my video, give me a thumb up. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Remain blessed and stay healthy. Bye.